welcome to Tuesday, our second day of St. Pius X feast day. So I'm in 5 Reds, let's have a look. So it is Monday 10:30 and I'm at school at the moment, so hopefully we don't have anyone come in and interrupt, but let's see how we go. So from Monday, hopefully you sent me through your dress up photos. A few people handed in so far from 5 Red. Let's have a quick little look. Let's see, 5 Blue, what do I call the task? St. Pius X activity, Monday. Saint LMNOP, Monday dress up photo. So far I've got 2. Let's have a look. It was Eva, amazing. What do we got here? Can't even tell who that is. Interesting. Let's have a look at 5 Red. LMNO St. Pius Monday dress up photo. 4 have been sent through. Let's have a look who we've got. Well done, Elizabeth. Oh, well done, Estelle. Who have we got here? They made a video. Oh, Olivia. Don't think the dog likes the dress up. And who have we got here? Oh, it's Olivia as a photo. Beautiful. Okay, so that's the photo. Remember, the video competition is optional, due Thursday. Noticing here, Max is the only one at school today, and he's nearly finished the whole days before lunchtime, so he might have a chance to start that today. The design assessment was important from yesterday, but let's have a look at today. As you can see, 2 things will be dropping today. So let's have a look. Alright, 24th of the 7. I'll be home. I'll be having the Zoom with these 10 students. I look forward to seeing you all. Okay, so again, competition. Tuesday, who has the best moves? So a nice little 15-second dance move. What'll be a bit fun about this is the school will actually pick one for the whole school to perform when we're back at school. So the competition is the same. Still got the task over there. Send through us a dance. Okay, about 15 seconds. Focus of history today. As you can see, we are missing those extra English tasks. Check in. Please do your attendance. Okay, on this sheep scale, how do you feel today? Okay. Prayer, writing task. What makes a good speech? Watch the video on what makes a good speech. There you go. Do's of public speaking, don'ts of public speaking. Okay, so have a look. What do you think makes a good speech and a bad speech? Write some ideas below. Malala, great public speaker, really impressive person. Watch the video, 5 VIPs. And what was the speech about? Answer the 5 questions from Malala. So make sure you finish and complete that, please. Mathematics. Okay, a window is 150 centimeters wide, 90 centimeters high. What's the area? Okay, simply you can take the zeros off and then add them at the end, or you can, 3 times the area of the window is needed for curtain material. How many squared centimeters do you need? Okay, so you times that answer by 3. Nice and simple. Alright, maths with Mr. J, area of triangles. Okay, this is a really good one. Watch that. So what's really cool about triangles is every triangle is actually half a rectangle. Now there's a really good Mathsantic video on this one as well. Every single triangle, no matter what type it is actually half a rectangle. So if you apply width times height, or base times height they're calling it here, base times height, exactly like a rectangle, and then divide your answer by 2 or half your answer, you'll get the area of a triangle. Okay, so 8 times 5 would be if it was a rectangle. So 8 times 5 is 40. Half of that is 20. Ooh, we've got a centimeter and a meter. I'm wondering if that's intentional or not. I'm assuming for the first one it's not going to be. So let's change that shape. We're going to put a little rectangle. Let's change that one. Let's type in centimeters. There you go. I wonder how many of you would have noticed that. Okay, 5 centimeters by 8 centimeters, and you've got your answer there. Okay, work it out. Yep, meters, centimeters, beautiful. Width, height, base or height. Even for a weird triangle that looks like this, it's still the same. You've got your base and you've got your height. So it's often, these two for instance, it's not two different sides. The only time it's two sides is when it's a right angle triangle, okay? Otherwise it's height, okay? But it still applies exactly the same. Extension question. I would expect a lot of students doing this one. I have a house that looks like the diagram. The base of my house is 18 meters long and the height of my house, not including the roof, is 10. So there you go, there's the square rectangle part. The height of my roof is 8. Draw my house, including the measurements in your book or on a piece of paper. Get the area of my house, including the roof. Post a photo of your drawing. Now, interestingly, that goes further than that, so you might need to add some. It doesn't actually specifically say, but interestingly, you can add a bit to there, but you can work that out. Well done. Zoom, okay. You're with me. Make sure you have something to write on. We're going to do a few little math problems, make it fun for me, but mainly because I saw quite a few struggle with some maths last week when I was marking it. We're going to go through that. Earth community. Choose a group in society that shows care for God's creation and answer the following questions on the next slide. Earth Care, Greenpeace, Planet Ark, RSPCA. You've got ones like any ones that do the Clean Up Australia, any of that sort of stuff. Really good ones. Pretty easy questions, okay? History. This is cool. Parliament. Watch the video. Where is the Australian Parliament located? I assume most of you would know that. What does the Australian Parliament consist of? Parliament has 4 main functions. What are they? And I'm assuming the video will cover that. House of Reps. House of Reps are the ones we hear about. House of Reps are where the Prime Minister is, okay? The Senate is the other side, so you'll notice the green house, the red house. Senate made up from majority of the states, some VIPs there. So I'll give you some answers. House of Reps is 150 members. Senate is 72. So the House of Reps is broken across Australia based on population. The Senate is broken up by the states. Every state has 12 seats. The territories who came later have 2 seats. Okay, I think it works out. The 72 might be 76. Okay, reading. So there's no reading task, so it's based on you just doing your reading. I'm sure some of you won't. Now this is your dancing time activity. So a little bit of, oops, I meant to take that out. That's Wednesday. I forgot to take that out. I hope I still have it in Wednesday, that I didn't just delete it and have to recreate those slides. Let me check. Let me check. Wednesday. Oh yeah, so I already copied it. Good. So dancing time. So you will need to then go to, Tuesday. Who has the best moves? So there's no real line on that. So just think though, if you all want to get selected, do something that K through to 6 could do. So don't make it too complex, too difficult. Make it a bit of fun. A few easy dance moves, some jumping around, sort of things like that. Okay, it's a pretty easy task. Back to Tuesday. And reflection question. Okay, so super easy day. Hopefully you're not finishing too late, as you really shouldn't be when I've taken out those extra tasks. Make sure you're still putting your effort in. Okay, I'll see those that are coming to the Zoom. So final thing is our code word. Today's code word is going to be adventure playground. So if you're following our story, we've just arrived at St. Pius looking for a bomb. So I'm sure you can tell where we're going to start looking. Adventure playground. Okay, I'll speak to you guys all soon. Bye.